Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can edit your Microsoft Edge homepage. So I'm just going to select settings here, and as you can see, you can choose the layout here, the region and language. I chose this for mine. I turned quick links off because I don't really like having anything on my homepage. You can also edit the background and select a picture. You can upload image here. I chose mine. Well, I uploaded mine here, and once you're done, you're just going to select apply, and then I also have custom theme, I think, which is the pink one. You can change the colors here, or you can go back to default, but my one is the bubblegum one. And let's just go back to that. Sorry. And then I had content off too, but you can have your content visible, but I don't like it. And this is for if you have content, but that's basically how you can edit your homepage. You can also change your location here, edit location, and it's going to tell you the weather and the air. As you can see, it's very unhealthy where I am. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you very much for watching. Bye!